This is a show with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animal teddies. Let's get started. Let's watch some TV. Oh, you always singing, dude. I know, right? Let's just watch some. Yes, TV. Yeah, TV's on. What? Yeah, he got him from Disney, remember? Oh, yeah. Remember Charlie getting them from Disney. I wonder what he's doing. What? He got Mickey Mouse. Well, he can't help it. He didn't buy him. His friend did. And he just tried one, and he loved him. Oh. Well... Yeah, what's the matter, little girl? I've got you to have a mission. Yes, what is it? Go outside of your back garden. Something bad's happened. Who do you need? You, crocodile, dragon. Okay, let's go. Oh, what the hell just happened here? I don't know. Something better. Oh my god. It's got germs on it. Oh, don't let me have the coronavirus. We have to just keep going down. And then this stick will move. And then it will sort out an issue in your house. Oh, where's all our other animals though? Probably upstairs in bed. Like, because they're all lazy. I didn't even slide down. Woo! It will move up 3 steps every time you do it. Well, that sounds cool. And when it does, you'll hear a bang by the brick. It'll tell you that you've banged the problem. Oh, that must have hurt you, Stripey. Yeah, it did. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's all right, crocodile. Oh, crocodile, you make me so mad all the time that I could just kill you. Please don't. I love my life. No. Do you think that was funny, Dragon? Yeah, it was actually really funny. I'll get you for that. Woohoo! Let's get him. Oh. I don't. It's It's just got curled up on the chair. I'm now messing about. Ah! Oh. What the hell? Ah! Somebody. Oh my god. Guys, we gotta get him. No, you be mean to me. You're coming. Let's get him. It's not that far away, man. He's hurt. He's probably hurt. We must run around in circles and make sure the brick moves. I don't think it's gonna do but it might. There's a bang! Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is heavy, guys. It's not actually the animals, though, guys. It's me holding it. That was a pause. Dun. That's why Stripey was there, because he's strong, healthy. I don't think I'm healthy. I always eating chocolate. It's nice. Well, let's get inside. The problem's been solved. Let's go. What was the problem? Something happened with our slide. There was a brick under it and it weren't moving. Yeah. It was extremely heavy. And I was carrying it. I don't think you would have carried it, Stripey. Yeah, okay, Biggs, okay. I didn't carry it. I'll see you guys later. Bye!